What's up, Fruit Loops? A little bit echoey in here. Because we are in our unit. We're in it. A lot of tools are in it. None of the vehicles are in it. We've got a banner up. There's our car park. And then I'm going to turn you around here. Okay. Here is the new unit. This has taken us pretty much 2 days to get all the equipment in here. We're going to build a spray booth, come dipping booth over here, which will be this size with a tank at the end. And we will probably put a 2-post car ramp here. And then where Tony's truck is, we will be putting a full-size spray booth, which will leave us this area for working on cars on the ground. And this area here for working on bikes. So it's a work in progress. So hello, Tony. What's up? So yeah, it's a bit echoey. We'll try and find shit to put on the walls, innit? Make it a little bit less echo-y. We got a little office in here, which at some point we'll get it kitted out. But again, it's cost us literally everything that we have to get in this unit. Well, we got 16 days to come up with the rent for next month.
Yep, no pressure.
So yeah, no pressure. That's why the Harley's up for sale. That's why we ran out of time to finish it at the end of the day, because we had to get in this unit. They're very hard to come by, especially for the price. So yeah, watch this space. The weekend we'll have both the Beetles here. We'll have the XS, both the XS's, the LTD, Tony's super smart bicycle. Yeah. Stingray,
Stingray, man, that's a good bit of kit though.
Yeah, there you go. Well, we're getting there. So just, yeah, quick little video for you. We've got a few Beetle parts up here. This is for the Beetle we already have. These are the little bits that we could grab. But yeah, we're getting there. At some point we'll bring the coupe over as well. We're going to get the tyres off the wheels, refurb them. We'll probably dip them in carbon. We're going to sort of lacquer out on it, and then that'll be going up for sale again. And yeah, we'll go from there. So that is it. Don't forget to like and share. Sorry it's only a short one. Hit the subscribe button. Even if you dislike it, it doesn't matter. Hit the button saying you don't like it. It's not an issue to us. We don't really give a shit. But it all helps the YouTube algorithm. So it gets us out there a little bit more. So if you dislike it, you're doing us a favour. Hey, there you go.
Fuck you.
Yes, exactly. All right, you take care, guys. Be safe, be careful. Do one thing each day that scares you, like rent a fucking expensive unit that you really can't afford. All right, ta-da.